Welcome to Inspired Truths channel, where God speaks to us through His Word.
God equals rest, relief, and restoration. Isaiah chapter 14, verse 3. On the day the Lord gives you relief from your suffering and turmoil and from the harsh labor force on you, there comes a day when God says, enough. He sees your weariness. He hears your silent cries. And at the right time, He brings rest, relief, and restoration. You won't be stuck in this hard season forever. God's deliverance is real, and His timing is perfect. Hold on in faith. Your day of freedom is on the way. Today's declaration: I trust that God will give me rest. My struggles have an expiration date. I believe in His promise of peace.